Hey, beautiful soul, welcome to Eringy. I am Erin. I have a beautiful self-love meditation for you today. Now, this is especially good for you if you're just finding it challenging to really connect with what it means to love yourself. So obviously, this isn't coming from an ego's perspective. This is coming from that place of realizing just how important you are here on this planet and how deserving you are to be loved, to receive love, to be able to express love. And it's also an opportunity for you to practice self-care, which is also a form of self-love. So all you need to do in this meditation is get yourself super comfortable in a seated position, and then we'll get started. Allow yourself to relax in a comfortable seated position. This, of course, doesn't mean that you need to stay in this position for the entire meditation. If you decide that it's getting a little uncomfortable during your practice, you are very welcome to change positions. Listening to the body and acting upon its cues is a part of the self-love journey. So once you have arrived in your comfortable seated position, close your eyes and breathe deeply, either through the nose and out the mouth, or through the nose and out the nose. And just decide which one is best for you in this moment. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Feel the breath inhale and hold the breath. Slowly and mindfully exhale the breath all the way out. Inhale and hold to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, let the breath go completely. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, all the way out. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears and hold. And release the shoulders as you slowly exhale. Inhale, shoulders to ears, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the shoulders down as you exhale completely and fully. One more time, just like that. Inhale, shoulders to ears, and hold for 5 seconds. Slowly exhale, release the shoulders down. Just allow your breath to maintain a steady rhythm that's comfortable for you. And from here, imagine a ball of light, a ball of energy. Just imagine it entering your body, coming through the head, emanating from the head down to the shoulders, the chest, down to the abdomen, hips, throughout the legs, throughout the arms. And just take a deep breath in, fill your body with light. And exhale, send that light all around you, vibrating fully. Today, our intention is to embrace self-love and self-care. In this moment, let's make a commitment to nurture our own well-being. So begin by envisioning what this entails. Perhaps it involves prioritizing more restful sleep, starting the day with a refreshing glass of water, savouring a nourishing homemade meal, or relishing the sensation of going barefoot outdoors. So take a moment to picture what self-love and self-care mean to you personally. And just visualize yourself moving through your day with a genuine intention to care for yourself. This may include taking breaks when needed, exercising for the benefit of your mind, body, and spirit, or reading a chapter from your favorite book. The options are limitless, so allow yourself to drop into this visualization, allowing all aspects of your body to feel the visualization. Just notice the sensations that come up for you as you imagine practicing self-love and self-care. Take a full, deep breath in, and as you exhale, ease into this newfound reality. And then begin to inhale the essence of self-love and self-care. Adopt the feelings that typically arise within you when you're practicing self-love. So what does that feel like in the body? What does it feel like in the mind? How does your spirit respond when you take part in the simple act of loving and caring for yourself? Take another full breath in and repeat after me. I am strength. I am love. I radiate compassion. I embody peace. I am fulfilled. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely out. And feel these words resonate within every cell of your being, strengthening your spirit as you embrace this message of compassion and completeness. Realize that you are an exceptional expression of nature and consciousness in its entirety. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, sense your energy surging as you recognize your significance in this world, illuminating your truth, the genuine, beautiful essence that resides within you for all to witness. This is the light of self-love, energy that radiates in all directions, requiring no replenishment because your love is limitless and boundless. And with the loving energy that surrounds you, envision yourself fully immersed in living your purpose. Observe how aligning your life with your deepest desires benefits not only yourself, but also benefits and inspires those around you. Pledge right now to consistently give your best effort. Radiate your inner light at its fullest, and practice self-love, self-care. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Take another deep inhale
And exhale, bring your hands together in prayer position at your heart space. Inhale, bring your hands to your third eye, the space between your eyebrows, for clarity of thought. Bring your hands to your lips for clarity of speech. Bring your hands to your heart for clarity of love and action. The divine in me sees, recognizes, and honors the divine in you. Let us practice self-love and self-care often. And so it is. Namaste.